Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am not here to give you any tutorial. I am here to make a special announcement regarding the mini course, which was a giveaway on 10k subscriber celebration for all my subscribers. Few days back in the community section of my channel, I have posted that the course has ended now. So thank you everyone who took this 10k subscriber celebration giveaway course. It was my pleasure if I have helped you in any way throughout this course. The feedbacks and reviews which you people have given on the website, from there I got to know that some people are expecting my personal attention and support to complete this course. That's why I have decided to revamp the same existing course, which is shifting of chords, into a paid one by adding some additional features to it. Now let me elaborate the additional features which I am going to add into this paid course, which will enhance your learning, and also you will get active instructor support from my side. The first additional feature is course induction. Once you will sign up for the course, I will brief you about the course and course platform through group live sessions. Now the second feature is active instructor support, in which I'll be conducting one-on-one live doubt clearing sessions for you people, where you can directly approach me and ask your doubts related to the content which you are practicing through the course. For example, आपने chord shifting patterns practice कर लिए with the strumming pattern and still you are having any doubts related to that module, so you can directly approach me and I'll schedule a one-on-one live doubt clearing session for you. Now the third feature is about assignments. आपको practical task दिए जाएंगे. After completing every module, आपको assignments मिलेंगे website पे, and how to complete those assignments, उससे related instructions भी आपको मिलेंगे on the website. And I'll be evaluating those assignments personally and I'll provide you the feedback as well. Now the fourth additional feature which will be added to this paid course is project evaluation. Once you will complete all the content in this course, including the assignments and quizzes, तब आपको एक फाइनल प्रोजेक्ट दिया जाएगा जिसके अंदर आपको 3 सॉन्ग्स के ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे. उन 3 सॉन्ग्स में से आपको किसी एक सॉन्ग को चूज करना है, अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करना है, एंड देन यू विल हैव टू परफॉर्म दैट सॉन्ग लाइव इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. And I'll be evaluating your performance, and if not satisfactory, you will have to perform again. The notes for all the 3 songs will be given on the website in a PDF form. तो आपको सारे instructions website पे मिलेंगे. Everything will be self-explanatory. After you will complete all the content, assignments, quizzes and the project evaluation as well, then you will be qualified for the course certificate which I'll be providing to you. Now the last feature is about live group session. अगर किसी भी common topic पे काफ़ी सारे लोगों को doubts हो रहे हैं, then I'll choose that topic and I'll conduct a live group session जिसमें मैं उस topic से related आपको tips and tricks बताऊंगी, ताकि आपके डाउट्स क्लियर हो जाएं related to that topic which you are struggling with the most. So these were the 5 additional features which are added to this paid course. Now coming on to the accessibility and the cost for this course. The one-time cost for this course will be $2,000, 2K. Once you will sign up for this course, आपके पास lifetime access होगा इस course के content के लिए, but the additional features which I have added, that will be accessible for 2 months. जितने भी एडिशनल फीचर्स मैंने आपको बताए हैं, लाइक द कोर्स इंडक्शन, एक्टिव इंस्ट्रक्टर सपोर्ट, असाइनमेंट्स, क्विजेस, ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल बी एक्सेसिबल टू यू फॉर 2 months. बट इफ़ इन केस अगर आप फाइनल प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाते हो एट द एंड ऑफ द 2 months, देन यू विल हैव अ ग्रेस पीरियड ऑफ 1 month. तो आप आराम से 1 month के ग्रेस पीरियड में प्रोजेक्ट के लिए प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो, एंड देन एट द एंड ऑफ दैट 1 month ग्रेस पीरियड यू कैन परफॉर्म योर फाइनल प्रोजेक्ट. I am expecting the students who are seriously willing to learn guitar, because there will be a limited number of students which I will be able to support personally. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको मेरा पर्सनल सपोर्ट चाहिए या मेरी पर्सनल अटेंशन चाहिए to complete this course, then I will be the happiest if I could help you in any way. Once again, let me tell you, the course is for $2,000. You will get all the details on the website. Website पे सब कुछ self explanatory है, तो अगर आप वेबसाइट पे विजिट करोगे आपको सारी डिटेल्स वहाँ पे मिल जाएंगी. पुरानी वाली वेबसाइट पे मत जाना, गो टू द न्यू वन. द लिंक टू द वेबसाइट इज़ गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. इफ़ यू आर एन एब्सोल्यूट बिगनर, तब भी आप ये कोर्स ले सकते हो, इससे सीख सकते हो, क्योंकि मैंने सब कुछ स्क्रैच से बताया है. हाउ टू रीड द कॉर्ड चार्ट्स, देन ऑल द ओपन कॉर्ड्स, देन द स्ट्रमिंग पैटर्न, एवरीथिंग इज़ फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच. फिर भी अगर आपको कोई डाउट्स होते हैं तो आपको वेबसाइट पे सारी डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगी, हाउ यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट अस. सो दिस वॉज द स्पेशल अनाउंसमेंट विच आई वॉन्टेड टू मेक. आई होप आई मेड एवरीथिंग क्लियर. So go to the website and enroll for the course as soon as possible. I shall see you in the regular tutorials. You all take care. Bye. Merry Christmas.